Okay, so here I think you have started UOM and implementing the same. Okay, I gave shipment type for basic operations. We had to implement validations, UI designing concept, duplicate data avoiding, Ajax implementation. So many things are there. So what we are doing here is there is another small concept also there. Checkboxes example. I had to show this one. So today I'll give order method from beginning to end concepts and also WH user type concepts here. Observe carefully. Okay, look at here. There is one more page also going to come here today. So this is a complete task that you need to fill. This diagram, 4 modules diagrams, I'm going to give it to you as the initial task. This is one that you might be doing. UOM module. Second shipment type I am giving. Third order method I'll give it. Fourth WH user type. Okay, I'll give as the overview that you need to implement, but live I'll show. You try to implement UOM from your side. Remaining I'll give it, but somewhat faster code I'll do it, not like a step by step. Okay, only different changes I'll show it. But these are the 4 modules that we need to finish by this weekend actually, all the requirements. Okay, now today I'll give this one same project. Okay, now let me show order method module here. Hruday B, I already you send that question to my email and I gave answer also. If you change data type to integer to string, everywhere you have to change. No, Abdullah, there are so many modules. Okay, so these are actually 4 modules I'm just giving. Still 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still 9 modules are there. Okay, so here I'll give other modules also. If you are able to work on this, remaining will be almost easy for you. Okay, only 4 modules means that's not going to be a project. At least some 8 to 9 modules should be there total, but it's more than that even will work. Okay, even integrations, validation, so many things will come. We started recently only, right? Don't worry, everything we'll see. Now today, understand the concept. Now still I did not start the session. Okay, I'm just saying to everyone, this is actually your task. Okay, this is actually your task. This 4 we have to finish by weekend. I think you might be completed 1 and 2. UOM and shipment type you might have completed everyone. Okay, is there anyone who is actually pending who did not finish? Just type yes if you have done UOM and shipment module. Just type yes if you have done, or else type no. Very good. Even if someone is facing, please support them even in the WhatsApp group. I think you are active. I think good, Rishabh. Generators and finish. Then use sequence generator concept here. Okay, good. Okay, let us start this session today. Observe carefully. Today, I am just giving order method. If you look at this form, you should be able to draw the model class. Here, nothing new, but only checkboxes. Remember, when you take checkboxes, separate table will come. That's a design of ORM. Okay, it's a design of ORM. You can store comma separated values, but here it is never going to be performing edit operation. If you store as a string, edit operation will not support. Okay, now I'm just going to show this concept. Okay, don't use chat box. If you have any question, you can ask at the end. Okay, now look at here. I am writing this module. It's an order method. Writing somewhat faster. So look at here. I'll be writing bit faster, so please concentrate everyone. This order method module I want to implement. If you look at this module here, order method module, this module name is actually, okay, this is a module name order method. Okay, for this we have to write different files: model, class, repository, service impl, controller, UI pages, that we had to write. Okay, now look at here, I'm just writing application. Along with this only I'm just going to write. Now first I'm writing one model, right click new, I'm just writing a class. That's actually order method. It's a order method. When you mention the module name here, it's done. First add primary key, private integer id. If we take string here, if you want to take custom sequence generator, here if you change string, in delete operation also maintain string. Everywhere primary key should be string. Okay, primary key data type, if you maintain string, everywhere string you have to use. If you use integer, everywhere you can use integer. I'll show one complete string example if you want with UOM later. Okay, if you want, I'll show with string UOM later integration with string example instead of integer. I'll show later. Okay, if you use off, it is going to become wrong. Okay, one place you are writing integer, one place if you write string. I have seen that one person delete by integer is writing, but primary key kept as a string. What kind of coding? I did not understand. That is actually what you understood also, I did not understand that actually. Everywhere you have to keep same primary key. Okay, JPA operations supports based on primary key. If you mention string, everywhere delete by string primary key, update by string primary key, edit by string primary key, returns string primary key, and save, find by string primary key. Everywhere you have to maintain the same. Okay, it's a data type that we have to write for sure. Okay, now I'm just writing id. Remaining I'm adding private string. I'm just writing here order mode. Look at this one, private string, it's a order code. There I'm writing private string order type. Okay, now order accept is there, right? It's a private list of string. I gave reasons here. That's actually in two scenarios we have to take list collection. One is checkboxes, second one is multi select drop down. Checkboxes you have take list collection, or multi select drop down we have to take list collection. Next I'm writing here private string description. Like this we are mentioning. Okay, to generate setters and getters, write one annotation at the rate data, at the rate entity, at the rate id, at the rate element collection you have to write. These are mandatory annotations. Okay, with this also you can run the application here. I am writing some optional annotations. Look at carefully. Element collection says it's a collection ORM data JPA. Please create separate table. I gave some designs also previously. You can just go through the same. Now I'm writing a table. Name is equals to, okay, just I'm taking same order method tab. Like this. Okay, at the rate generated value. Now I'm writing here. If you want to write sequence generator even, generated value, you mention the generator is equals to this. I'm just writing OM gen order method generator. There mention same name is equals to OM gen. Fine. Okay, next we need to mention the sequence name. Just I'm writing OM underscore gen underscore sequence. Like this, a separate sequence is created for this. Okay, next I'm writing column, at the rate column, Next I'm writing here name is equals to ord underscore id underscore call. Naming convention I'm following here. Next one ord mode column, ord code column, ord type column. It's a naming convention I'm following. Table ends with tab, column ends with call. Starting at least 3 letters or 4 letters, I'll take the module name. Minimum 3, maximum 4. Okay, here and description. I'm just writing here ORD DESC call. Like this, I'm writing. Here also ORD ACPT call. And for this, a separate table also will come at the rate collection table. Name is equals to, I'm just mentioning here. This is ORD ACPT tab. Okay. Now, if you want, it will take a common primary key here, ID. Okay, common primary key. I just want to give same thing primary key create here also. That's actually called join column. Join column at the rate join column like this. Now I'm just writing name is equals to same ORD ID FK join column or simply like this we are writing. For this a separate table is created and it's done. If you look at what is the meaning of this code here, okay, for checkboxes I'm just writing understand. When you take checkbox, we are writing this code extra. For checkbox or multi-select dropdown, one table is created with 2 columns. This is called as child table. Okay, for example, this created as child table name. This child table name contains 2 columns. This is a column 1. This is actually called join column or key column. Second one is actually column 2. This is called element column. Like this is created. A child table is created. It's a table. Understand? These are columns. Like this, 2 columns are created here. And here data. Okay. One child table is created with 2 columns with rows. If you want to mention child table name, collection table. If you want to mention column 1, join column. To provide table name. To provide column 1. To provide column 2. It is going to be example This is actual code. This is only main thing. Remaining all are similar here. Service layer, data access layer, everything similar. But this time showing extra page concept also. Observe carefully. Okay, this time slightly extra page concept also I'll give. Look at. So here it's a multi-select drop down or checkbox. If we take a separate child table is created with two columns. One column is called join column or key column. Second column is called element column. Okay, we have to write these are the extra. Mandatory annotation is element collection. Remaining all are optional. Also must apply at the rate element collection. To say that to Hibernate it's a collection, please allow to create a separate table. That's a point here. It is going to mention. Okay. Now observe here. It's a model class. Next I'm writing repository, new interface. There I'm writing, look at here, order method repository. Just I'm writing add JPA repository. Just I'm adding finish. Listen carefully. If you take string type here, here also you define string type. ID string type. If you take string type there, but I have taken integer. Here also you have to take integer. Here it's a order method. Okay. Now this is the second third one. I shipment type service is there. Okay, it's an interface. Just I'm writing I order method service. Okay, you don't copy paste, you write it manually. Okay, naming conventions you follow, it is easy. Now see here, it's a OM, just slight changes I'm just doing OM. If we take string type here, here also change it to string type, and here string type. Okay, string type and string type. One person what he has done, he has changed here string type, but here they forgot to write. Okay, if you did not modify string type, here also while writing the code it won't support. So that is an important thing here that you need to take care. Okay, interface is mentioned here. I order method service. This is done. I am writing the implementation here. Right click new. Just I am writing a class order method service IMPL. Click on add I order method service. Click on finish. Okay, and there I'm writing at the rate service. There I'm writing private order method repository space repo. Now just I'm writing one small annotation, that's at the rate auto void. Okay, one small thing I'll show here. Look at this one, repo dot delete by. If you look at here, delete by method, it is showing integer, visible to everyone, integer. Now what I'll do here, come to repository, JPA repository. Here I'm writing string. Look at. Now here come, see here, delete by, delete by. Look at this, what it is showing, visible to everyone. See, previously it is showing integer, now it is showing string. Okay, I think some people did mistake here only. Is there anyone who did mistake like this? Okay, you have to change the data type here and even here. You have to change everywhere. If you change to here, they did not change. That's why it is actually not supporting here. Not only there, even here also. Everywhere, see, integer means primary key type, primary key type, primary key type. Change string, string, and string. Here also change it to string. Here then we will get string type even. Okay, how JPA method is there, you will get like that. Did anyone face this problem? Like half code integer and all. Some people send email also to me. Okay. So if you want to take string, everywhere take string. Okay. Everywhere you have to do it string. Okay. So here I have seen that one place they mentioned string. No, but they did not save like that. Okay. Now let us continue here. Now I'm writing the code. It will work, sir. If you modify, your code is wrong. Don't tell that application is not working. Your code is wrong. Okay. Now I'm just writing one by one operation. Repo dot save pass om dot get id. Repo dot save pass om, and here I'm writing repo dot delete by id. Okay. Repo dot, just I'm writing here, find by id. Repo dot find all. Repo dot exist by id. Writing annotations here. At the rate transactional. Read only is equals to true. This is done. Okay. Next I am writing JSP pages one by one. Control also we have to write. Right click new. I'm just writing a class order method controller. At the rate controller. At the rate request mapping. Order method. Private I order method service. Service has a relation. At the rate auto void. Okay. Now here some common mistakes that you do. If you don't write implements, or else if you don't write at the rate service, it is going to get null pointer exception. Okay. So here order method service been not found, that you are going to get actually at the rate auto void, or else even if you did not write auto void here, below program you will get null pointer exception. Now show register page. Second, I'm writing here save data. Third, show all. Fourth, edit page. 5, do update. Okay. Now sixth one also I'll write here show one. Okay, this time I'm adding extra here. I'll show what is the purpose of that one at last. Observe carefully. I'll be writing bit faster here. Show register return. Just I'm writing. It's a order method. Register at the rate get mapping slash register form backing object. Add attribute. Order method. O small. Here I'm writing new order method. Save public string. Save return order method register at the rate post mapping. Save model attribute order method O small send data to UI model call service pass order method returns integer id construct one string message Okay, order method saved, single quotes, double plus id, send to UI, model dot add attribute. It's a list. Sorry, it's a message. It's a message. Now I'll create this JSP HTML page, theme leaf page, templates, new, other, HTML, order method register.html. Open order method register. Take any other register page. Copy this top line. Paste it. Body H3. Order method register. I'm writing form th colon action @ order method controller order method /save method is equals to post th colon object is equals to dollar order method object name first letter small remaining as it is form there I'm writing preview as it is order mode just I'm writing here input type is equals to radio th colon field is equals to value is equals to sale purchase order code input type is equals to field is equals to order type. Okay, order type is a drop down. Select th colon field option. We have to mention the value. First one is actually select. Second one is LIFO. FIFO any order. First expiry first out. First creation first out. First in first out. Last in first out. Okay, next one order accept checkbox input type is equals to checkbox field value multi model accept return. Next, description. Text area. Name is equals to button. Create order method. Any response. It's a message. Order method. One by one value. Order mode. Copy. Next one. It's a FIFO. LIFO. First creation, first out. First expire, first out. It's a order code. Star. Order type. Order accept. And finally description. Done. Okay. Application.properties. Take create. Any new module written, always take create. Run this application. Go to browser. Port number 9898. Order method slash register. Okay. UI designing we have to do. Temporarily okay. Order code. Just I'm writing sale A FIFO multi-model accept return and create. Okay. Now observe here. These are the different inputs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is a complete implementation. See, form is not got cleared after registration also. So form we have to clear after registration. What we need to do here is go to order method controller on save. What exactly the code you wrote here, that we need to mention here. Clear form. Okay, new. Come here. Purchase. PURA, purchase A. Just I'm taking these two check boxes and click on register. See, form got cleared and the value inserted in the database in two different tables. Okay, one is actually order method tab and order accept tab and order accept sequence. Okay, three created. Order method tab, actual data is there, and we choose checkboxes, right? Checkboxes data. See, we have selected two checkboxes. Checkboxes data has come to separate table. You can see it's a column, it's a join column, it's a element column, it's a child table. Separate table is created here. Okay, remaining all same even, but I'm writing, observe carefully, fetching all the records and displaying. Now what I'm going to do here, public string get all, return order method register. at the rate get mapping. Okay, I'll show validations and UI designing also. That's why I'm showing here. This one and a WH user type, we can cover so many validations. That's the purpose I'm just giving here. Multiple inputs are there. UOM is a small one, right? That you do it. Okay. Now I just want to paste the data here. It's a model. Just I'm writing here model dot add attribute. Just I'm mentioning list. There I'm writing service dot get all order methods. Shortcut. Instead of fetching separate line passing, a shortcut like this also you can write here. Okay. Now this is actually data page. Now we have to create a separate data page here. Templates new. I'm just creating other HTML data page. This is actually done. In shipment type controllers, after deleting, we are displaying the message, right? Okay, and after edit also we are displaying the message, or else if this is not there, we are redirecting. Okay, same structure I'll write here also. Let me continue. Just this data I'm just taking and going to UI and displaying this one. There I'm writing table, border is equals to 1. There I'm writing tr, I'm writing th, table heading. Okay, now here I'll just write h3, order method data page. The first one is actually id, next one is a mode, next one is a code, next one is a type. Okay, now this one I'm not printing, order accept I'm not printing, description I'm printing. I'll show that one also, I'll print it, but first I'm not taking that one. Just I'm writing taking tr, th colon each is equals to ob dollar. It's a list. Just I'm writing here td, there I'm writing dollar ob dot. Just taking one by one. First one is the id, second one order mode, next one order code, next one order type, next one description. Application dot properties, change it to update. Start the application. Okay, it's a th colon text. It's a order mode, it's a order code, it's a order type, it's a order accept. No, it's a description. Okay, so it is done, and let us run this application and see. Just I'm coming here, typing slash all, it is coming here. Okay, let me print even one more, that is actually order accept. Okay, if you look at here, order method controller. There I'm fetching the data. This is order method will take order accept. I'm just printing. Look at what is going to happen. Observe carefully. I'm just printing this one. Come to browser and just refresh. See here, it is printed like two-string internal format. You can see box, comma, value, second value come like this. Printing this one. Okay, we mentioned like this here. Order accept. Okay, it's internally two-string method is called for list collection and printed. Okay, observe carefully. Box symbol is there. Nothing to worry. Let it be. Not a problem. But I'm just showing like that. Okay. Now, actually, instead of printing here, only few columns are there. Printing few is good. But assumption there are actually 80 inputs are there. 60 inputs are there. Then printing all is not good. Print only what are 3 or 4 what are exactly important. Remaining showing another page. Okay, let as it is, let it be now. I'm not showing. Last I'll show here what I'll do changes. I'll just stop the application. Now register page is there actually. Yeah, pagination also will apply. That is also pending. Okay, so even no, I'm just speaking about number of columns. These columns, not rows. I'm speaking, not rows. I'm speaking number of columns. I'm speaking. For example, description. Another one is there. One more column. One more column. One more column. Like one more column. One more column. So many are there. Columns. Columns. I'm speaking, not rows. How many? Those many columns are there. Then if you print like that, page will become very big. Okay, that concept I'm speaking. In that case, we have to print only few columns, then remaining we have to show as a separate one page. Okay, we click view one concept will be there, that will come later, not now. Let us finish this one. And edit page also I'm just creating here. This is order method edit .html. This is update edit. There order id, input type is equals to text, th colon field id, read only is equals to read only. Like this I'm just writing here. If you go to controller, okay, public string show edit, return, go to order method edit page. Model at the rate get mapping slash edit. This time clear form code is there, right? Same, but this time order method object is taken from database. Service dot get one order method based on the id. It goes like that. Okay, now what I'm just doing here, we need to take one more parameter, that is actually braces id. There I'm writing at the rate path variable, mentioning integer id. This id may or may not exist. So here I'm writing if service dot, no, optional concept is there, right? Service dot get one method pass id, which returns actually optional. Some people take an optional as a wrong import statement. Like this stream it is showing. Okay, service they have taken this import. In service IMPL they have taken another import, that is giving import statement. Also make sure that is wrong. It's wrong import optional here. It's a java.util. While taking, so many optionals will come. Check it properly. Okay, one place one interface, another place another class is taken. Okay, they are showing that is actually type mistake. Optional of, that is actually showing order method om. or OPT. Just I'm writing. If OPT dot is present, then OPT dot get and go to page. There I'm defining string page is equals to null. Okay. Else page is equals to redirect dotted slash all. Okay. This we have to go to edit page. Now I want to perform update operation. Look at carefully. Public string update. There I'm writing at the rate post mapping slash update. Read form data model attribute order method. There I'm just writing here comma model. We are taking the form data, sending to UI event data page. Old data service dot update order method. Once it updated, model dot add attribute. This time writing message order method updated, single quotes, double plus order method dot get id. Like this we are mentioning. Okay. So first we are updating the record. We are first updating the record, constructing the message and sending to UI, also sending the data. Okay. Even for delete operation also, I'm just writing here public string delete return at the rate get mapping slash delete braces id. Path variable integer id model. Go to data page, service dot is order method exist, then perform delete. Else just I'm writing message is equals to order method deleted, single quotes, double plus id not exist, model dot add attribute. Just I'm writing message, passing the message. Okay. Now we are mentioning the same here. Look at, I'm just performing the delete operation. These are deleted even. That is, once it is deleted, we'll send the data and even message. So at the data page, finally, I'm just printing the message even. That's actually span th colon text dollar message. and hyperlinks I'll show for operations even. There I'm writing TD. Look at anchor tag. This is delete, edit. th:/href is equals to @ order method controller. The best programming approach is copy and paste. id is equals to $ob.id. Edit. Seems it is completed. Let us run this one. Starter class. All. Edit. Even checkboxes should also come. I'm unchecking one. Update. See, only one is there. Again, click on edit. Checked with one. Multi-model I'm checking. Multi-model is showing. Again, click on update. See, like this it has to work. FIFO just I'm changing. Sale I'm changing. Sale new I'm writing. Sample test. All I'm just updating. Create order method. Okay, edit. Choose this one, edit. Perfectly working. Delete. When you click on delete, see, it is deleting the data from order accept tab and order method tab. Child's also deleted. It's a default nature for collection type. Okay, but multiplicity concept is somewhat different. One to one, one to many concept, collection concept different. There we'll see a different cascading programming. Okay, it is done here. Okay, see only what are the changes you find here compared to last one. First, element collection. Repository also I'll show. Repository is nothing. Similar. Service also normal only. I'll show order method related all. If you look at from model class to UI pages, all I'm just opening. First order method Java. This is the extra code. Fine. Service. I order method service. Normal operations only. Nothing new. Service IMPL. These are also normal operations only. Nothing new. Order method controller. Same normal operations only. Nothing new. Okay. Only data page also. Here also printing like normal one only. Here also printing like normal one only. It's not a complicated or something we are writing. But in the UI, it is printed like this box, like this. Just only UI printing. ToString will be called. Edit. Just like normal drop down only. Sorry, it's a normal checkbox only. Okay, two inputs must have same name, either radio buttons or checkbox. These are actually group. How to make it group? Same name. Two fields must be same. Okay, this order method and register page same. Edit page only. Data page you have seen. Okay, only thing what you wrote different here is this one. This is only different here. I think you understood this point here. Remaining all are normal codes only. All completely like normal code only. Okay, so here this one I just gave. I think now you can work on this one. WH user type. There is no checkbox. Normal inputs. Radio button, text input. This is autofill. I'll show with jQuery programming, jQuery validations, and this programming I'll show autofill. When you click on vendor, it will come to purchase. When you click on customer, it will come to sale. You don't do anything. You just normal implementation. You do it. Empty box. Okay, you try to do implementation of empty box. However, I'll show this code from beginning. Okay, if you can do it, try. And here also in this one drop down, if you choose other, this box should be enabled. If you choose other than other, this box should be disabled. Like that I have to do one jQuery program. You don't know jQuery program, right? This Sunday I'm planning to take, okay, one tool and jQuery program and UI design also. Okay, I'll give the separate sessions here. If you know, you can add it. I have no problem. Okay, today your task is these three. This one, shipment type, UOM, and order method. I think you might have completed these two. Finish this one also. Order method, I'm just showing one more thing. Observe major changes. Okay, displaying all columns in data page is not good. Displaying all columns in data page is not good. This one I'll post in the drive. This one I'll post in the drive. Okay, listen. Displaying all columns is not good. Okay, here few columns are there, fine, so it is coming. Still few more are there, it will become so much lengthy. Here we have only few, fine, not a problem. If you have multiple, I'm not speaking about rows, I'm speaking about columns. Okay, if multiple columns are there, it will become very lengthy. Then what we need to do, show only important columns. Remaining columns don't display. For example, these columns are there, right? Okay, for example, I'm just hiding these three columns. Okay, type, accept, and description. Type, accept, and description, I'm not showing here. Commenting, select and control plus slash if you want to comment. Comment, uncomment, selected lines, control plus slash, control plus backslash. First one is for comment, second one is for uncomment. Okay, now I just uncommented here. I'm creating one more hyperlink. Look at here. What I'm writing here is th colon href. I'm just showing the same. It's a view one. It's a view page. In the view page, show all the values. In data page, show only important data. Important data show in data page. I have taken 3 because only 5 are there, right? Okay, remaining you just see in separate one page. Alt up arrow and alt down arrow, Suman. Alt up arrow and alt down arrow. Select alt up arrow, alt down arrow. Okay, now here view page we have to create. Now view page also write same condition here. How it is going to be? If ID, maybe they may enter manually. Just I'm writing public string show one, show view. It's a one record. Return order method view. It's a view page. It will show only one record. At the rate get mapping. At the rate get mapping. It's a view. It's a view. ID also will come. There take path variable, integer, ID to send data to UI model. Okay. Now here I am just taking the data service dot get one order method pass ID. But before passing here, check it. They may enter manual numbers also. Service dot is order method ID exist. Then page is equals to order method view. Okay, if you don't write this also fine, but to avoid all the problems, we are writing the code. Go to this page by taking model dot add attribute. It's an object. Just I'm writing here. This one passes order method OM. it returns optional order method opt opt dot is present. Opt dot get. Else I'm just sending the data. Go to all page like this. Now I'm just creating order method view page. Similar to this, you also do it for other modules. Of course, UIM we have only few, but shipment type is having so many. Order method view. Order method view page. To view one record. Just I'm writing table. There I'm writing TR. There I'm writing TH and TD. Okay, showing one record. Okay, now here I am just writing. I'm just writing the data and just printing here. This is ID. I'm just writing here dollar. This is actually going to write th colon text is equals to this one. We have to add theme leaf. This line they are forgetting actually, then it's not going to work. Okay, dollar ob dot. Okay, how many columns we have, those many we have to print. Order method, just I'm writing this. Now this one ID 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. First one ID, second one order mode, order mode, order code, order code. Okay, next one order type. It's a order type. Next one order accept. Next one description. Description. Okay, first one we missed. Okay, fine. Like this I wrote here. Now observe carefully. Run this application. '9898 just slash all. Of course there is no data. We will insert one record. We'll go to all. See, only three just I'm showing here. Click on view. Data is coming like this. Make a table border, then it looks good. Okay, so we'll do some UI designing later. Okay, this is the extra thing that you need to do. Okay, understand the concept I'm just giving. UOM don't do it because these are only few fields, right? Other than this, I'm just writing here. Okay. So this actually tags comes from content distributed network, that we have to mention the location like this. Of course, our application we deploy in internet only, right? Okay, understand this one. This time extra page we are writing actually, that is view page. Implement view page to show all values instead of showing all values a data page. On data page, display only few values what are required or necessary. Create one link, that is view. On click this link, get one row data based on ID, send to UI and display as page. That's a concept of one row. Okay, there is a view page required here. All values of one row only. It's a one row data. That particular row data is going to come here. Now, what are the changes I did here? Just I'm giving this one. Okay, better I'll give this complete code, but here I'm just giving changes. First of all, data page. Example code I'm just giving. One, data page. Two, controller code. Three, UI. That's actually order method view.html. This is a complete page. This one we have to implement like this. Okay. So here, okay, I'm just giving whatever the code I wrote so far here. Okay, this code I'll just make as a zip link. Okay, later I'll share through GitHub. Temporarily, still we don't know Git. Okay, warehouse have 10062020. Just I'm giving this link. You just click on this, it will be downloaded. How many of you know GitHub concept? How many of you know GitHub concept? Okay. Okay, fine. However, one day we have to do everything right for our project also. I'll show the same for sure. If you know, it's really good. If you don't know, I'll show. Okay. Even Natras are taken a tool session on GitHub. You go to youtube.com Naresh IT. Natras are also covered one session on GitHub. However, you just better go through that. You will explain up to date. Just download. Click on this one. It will be downloaded. You start working on this. And your task for today is observe. I'm just going to give one diagram. Okay. This one, you start implementing this. And here, look at carefully. Here autofill is there, right? You don't worry about that. Take normal text. Take normal text input. Take normal text input and start coding. And the star conditions and all you don't implement. Do remaining as it is. Module name WH user type. And one small thing here that you need to do, H lowercase. Lots of meaning will be there, sir. If you write capital and upper, it's a container problem comes. WH user type. Take like this only. Everyone watch this video, which is posted in the chat box. Okay, go through that video even if possible. GitHub concepts will come to know. Okay, I'll show how to integrate project only, but remaining things will come to know that video. Just go through that one. Okay, so this is a task that you need to implement today. Order method and WH user type. Don't copy paste my code. Try to do it on your own. Okay, these are the two things that you need to finish. Okay, keep everything up to date here. Okay, wherever we have see primary key locations you want to see. Wherever we wrote integer, they're all primary key locations only, sir. Yeah, those are fixed naming convention. Th colon object is a fixed naming convention. Now just I'm showing service layer, I service. Look at the naming conventions here. Integer, integer, integer. ID is there, right? Okay, delete by ID. Here change string, string and string if you want. These three first you change it. Remaining almost you will do it. Okay, and model class. Three places first of all. Order method. First model class. First model class. Second repository. Second repository. Third services. Okay, remaining if you try to do also it will give integer is there, right? Integer. See all possible integers. Change it to string if you want to work on string. Better work on integer if you're facing some problems and all. This one. Like this we need to specify. Okay, remaining automatically comes here. That's not a problem. Okay. Paramesh, are you there? Can you provide group link here? Some people they are saying they don't know. If you want, instead of 1 to 3 numbers, if you want to show some characters for primary key, take string or as integer is okay. Even Paramesh number also I'm just giving. You can just communicate to them for technical support and all. Okay, so continuation we see in tomorrow's class. Thank you for session.